Aquino by any means except those that are legal. At present, as president, he can only be impeached out of office. Thereafter, he can, of course, be sued. Therefore, my criticism should be taken as a surgical operation to determine what should not be done again. And also, as member of the panel that is hearing the BBL, especially the aspect of constitutional amendments, it just changes almost completely my attitude towards the BBL. What is proved to me by these hearings is the lack of sincerity of the MILF in shooting down our men, and possibly the BIFF together. They shot down 44 Filipinos who are all dead now. So, how can you possibly deal with a negotiation partner who accepts perfidy as a mode of conduct? And I'm sure I'm not alone in taking this evolution of attitude. I'm sure many senators think the way I do.
Ms. Araneta, Manila Standard today.